Hello, this is Mrs. Metcalf, and today we're going to be finding the total or the sum of two numbers. And we will do that by playing the game 5 in a row. To play this game, you're going to need 2 dice, which you have in your packet, a game board, a 5 in a row game board, and some counters. The first thing you do is you roll the dice. All right, I have rolled a 4 and a 5. Now I need to think strategically about how I can add these numbers. I like 5 is the larger number, and I always like to start with the larger number because then I don't have to count as far. So I could say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and just count the dots on my cube. So I'm looking at my game board here, and I'm seeing a 9 right there, and a 9 here. Let's see, I may put my counter on this 9. All right, I'm going to roll again. All right, I have a 5 and a 3. So I'm going to start with my larger number, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, let's see, do I have an 8 anywhere near? Oh, there's an 8, because I want to try to get, remember the title of this game, 5 in a row. So I can get 5 in a row going horizontally, 5 in a row going vertically, or 5 in a row going diagonally. All right, let's go again, because we don't have 5 in a row yet. There's a 1. There's a 1. Oh, there's a doubles number. I know that in my heart. I don't even have to add that. I know that 1 plus 1 equals 2. So let's see, is there a 2 nearby? I guess I'll go with this one because I already have a counter right there. So I could get 5 in a row going vertically. So I'm going to put a counter here. So I'm going to go. Oh, there he goes. All right, oh, I got another doubles fact. I love doubles fact because they're so easy to add, and I know them in my heart. I know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. I don't even have to count it. Ooh, yay. All right, so I'm going to put, whoops. What happened to my counter? All right, let's move these out of the way a little bit. Well, they don't want to cooperate today. All right, well, look. We only need 2 more, and we'll have 5 in a row. Yay! Let's see how we do here. There's 4. For another doubles fact. Yay! All right, I know in my heart that 4 plus 4 equals 8. So let's see. Oh, there's an 8 way over here. I guess that's the closest 8. So I'm going to have to move and then put this one back because my counters don't want to cooperate with me today. Another doubles fact. Wow. All right, so let's go ahead and put a, yeah, we'll just do that. If that's what it wants to do, that's what we'll do. All right, we only need 1 more. We need a 10, so let's think about what would we get. Well, let's see. If we get a 5 plus 5, that would work. So let's see if we can maybe get a 5 plus 5. There's a 4. There's a 2. Okay, 4 is greater than 2, so I'm going to start with the 4. 4, 5, 6. All right, I guess I'll do this 6 because I still could get 5 in a row going horizontally. And I bet when I move that, that counter is going to be the one that's going to move. Yes, it does. All right. Let's try it again. Yay, look. There's 6. We're going to start with our larger numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So we have 5 in a row. 5 in a row going vertically. So that is how you play the game 5 in a row. There's some variations to this game. You may want to see if you and your partner can cover the whole game board. Wow, that would be fantastic. So I hope you have fun playing 5 in a row.